guys, we're all packed up and ready to go, and we're gonna go on a 6-hour road trip, so come on along with us. First stop of the trip is beautiful Chetwynd, BC. I'm gonna look at this Spidey costume. It's not a costume, it's a statue. And then we're gonna go to the washroom and hit the road again. All right, we're gonna hit the road again. Everybody's buckled up? Thunder, are you buckled?
Yeah.
Amelia, you're buckled?
Yeah.
Zayla, are you buckled? Next stop, the Bayou Falls and the Pine Pass. Get a good stretch in, and we'll be on our way. Whoop. Be careful, are you okay? That's why we gotta slow down.